Welcome to Letting Go, Episode 5. This is the 5th episode in our series on letting go. Today, we'll focus on releasing the need for control and embracing trust. The desire to control is something many of us experience. We want to manage outcomes, predict the future, and make sure everything goes according to plan. But life often has its own rhythm, its own flow. Trying to control everything can feel exhausting and limiting. By letting go of control, we create space for trust in ourselves, trust in others, and trust in the natural unfolding of life. This meditation will help you release the weight of control and invite a sense of ease and openness into your heart. Let's begin by finding a comfortable position. Sit with your back straight, your hands resting gently in your lap, or lie down if that feels more relaxing. Close your eyes, or let your gaze soften. Take a moment to settle into this space, allowing yourself to arrive fully here and now. Let's begin by connecting to the breath. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose, and exhale softly through your mouth. Once more, inhale deeply, feeling your lungs expand. And exhale fully, releasing any tension. Now, let your breath settle into its natural rhythm. Notice the gentle rise and fall of your chest or belly. As you breathe, allow yourself to let go of any thoughts or worries about the day. With each exhale, imagine releasing tension as if you're setting down a heavy load. Feel the weight of your body being supported by the surface beneath you. Trust that you are safe here, and it's okay to relax. Now, bring your awareness to the idea of control in your life. Reflect for a moment. Are there areas of your life where you feel the need to control everything? This might be at work, in relationships, or even within yourself. Notice how this need for control feels in your body. Do you sense tightness in your chest or shoulders? A heaviness in your mind? Whatever you feel, simply observe it without judgment. Now ask yourself, what would it feel like to let go? To trust that things will unfold as they're meant to? Sometimes, the need for control comes from fear of the unknown, fear of failure, or fear of being vulnerable. Acknowledge this with kindness, and remind yourself, it's okay to not have all the answers. It's okay to trust the flow of life. Now, let's practice letting go of control. Imagine holding a rope in your hands. This rope represents the things you've been trying to control, the plans, outcomes, and situations you've been gripping tightly. Feel the tension in your hands as you hold the rope. Notice how much effort it takes to keep holding on. When you're ready, gently loosen your grip. Imagine the rope slipping through your fingers, releasing it completely. Watch as it drifts away, carried by a gentle breeze. As you let go, take a deep breath in and exhale, feeling a sense of freedom and relief. Let's do this again. Inhale deeply, imagining the release of control. And exhale, letting it all go. Notice how it feels to let go. Trust that life will continue to flow, even without your tight grip. Now that you've released the need for control, let's invite trust into your heart. Imagine a gentle river flowing before you. This river represents the natural flow of life, ever moving, ever changing. Picture yourself stepping into the river. Feel the cool, refreshing water flowing around you, carrying you effortlessly downstream. There's no need to swim or fight the current. Simply trust the river to guide you. As you flow with the river, silently repeat these affirmations to yourself. I trust the flow of life. I release the need for control. I trust myself to navigate whatever comes my way. Let's repeat that together. I trust the flow of life. I release the need for control. I trust myself to navigate whatever comes my way. Feel these words settling deeply within you, anchoring you in a sense of ease and trust. As we come to the end of this meditation, take a moment to thank yourself for this practice. By letting go of control and embracing trust, you've opened yourself to greater peace and freedom. Remember, life flows like a river. You don't have to control every twist and turn. Trust that you have the strength to navigate the journey ahead. When you're ready, gently bring your awareness back to the room. Wiggle your fingers and toes, noticing the energy returning to your body. And when it feels right, open your eyes. Thank you for joining me today. In our next session, we'll explore letting go of resentment and embracing forgiveness. Until then, carry this sense of trust and ease with you. You are exactly where you're meant to be. Thank you for meditating with me. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe. This helps my channel a lot. or share your experience with your meditation in the comments. Come back daily to build your habit. Thank you so much and see you tomorrow.